Good morning, students. I'm Sheila Goel, your English teacher. Today we are going to do chapter 17, Degree of Comparison of our grammar book. I hope you will ask us queries if you will not understand any point. Dear students, the degrees of comparison are of three types. Positive degree, example cute, big, crunchy. In this positive degree, there is no comparison between any things. We also use positive degree when we want to say that people or things are equal in some way. Okay, for example, she is as beautiful as her sister. So we are not telling about any comparison. We are telling that they both are equal in some ways. So we will use beautiful, same beautiful. Whereas the comparative degree is used when we compare two persons or two things. She is cuter than her sister. Okay. Superlative degree. Superlative degree is used to compare more than two people. Okay. She is the cutest of all. Okay. We are talking about about her cuteness, and it is the cutest from all of the group. Okay. Remember, students, that we can use a and very as with the positive degree, but with comparative degree we use then, and superlative degree requires the before it. Okay, the honest, the most honest, the cutest. Okay, cuter than, cute, a cute girl, as cute as, very cute. Okay, we can use the words like this. Comparative degree is generally formed by adding er. But in some cases, we also add more beautiful, more honest. Okay. Superlative degree is generally formed by adding est or most to the main word. He is the most honest man. It is the costliest pen. Okay, students? Now, exercise number 1, we have to complete the table. In the first column, it is a positive degree. Second column has comparative degree. In the third column, we have superlative degree. First is fair, fairer, fairest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Fast, faster, fastest. Here, students, we have simply added er, est, but there are certain words which already have e at the end. Okay, in that case, we will not write er or est. We will just delete e and only add r and st. For example, large, larger, largest. Here we had e already, so we only added r. Here we only added st. Okay, students, so we have to follow this pattern only. Wide, wider, widest. Pure, purer, purest. Brave, braver, bravest. Now, in certain cases, the words end with the consonant y. Then we will replace y by adding ier and iest. Okay, according to the degree of comparison. Easy, easier, easiest. Here I have changed y, replaced y with ier and iest. Now the question is happy, happier and happiest. Costly, costlier, costliest. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Now students, sometimes the words are very small. Okay, small words tend to repeat the last consonant. Okay, sometimes we have to repeat them. And for few examples are hot, hotter and hottest. Here we have double the last consonant T. Big, bigger and biggest. Here also we will double the last consonant double G. Okay, thin, thinner, thinnest. Red, redder, reddest. Now, sometimes we use more and most that I have told you before, like honest, more honest, most honest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Useful, more useful, most useful. Students, you also have to learn this page number 67 thoroughly. Students, there are few words that do not follow any rule. Okay, that is adding er and est. They move along according to their own wishes. So let's learn about them. Good, better, best. He is good in studies. He is better in studies than me. He is the best in English, right? Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, less. Much or many can be used more and most. Now in the second exercise, filling the blanks with suitable degree of given adjectives, first one has been done for you. Now let's come to the second one. Bikes are better. For good we will use better than cars as they don't create so much pollution. We are comparing bikes and cars. So we will use the comparative degree of good, that is better. Terrorism is the, so the use of the tells us which degree we will use, superlative degree. Most serious problem in the world. This restaurant serves food. Now we are not comparing here. We are not telling about the superlative degree, comparison between two or many things, right? So we'll use the positive degree good. This restaurant serves good food. He runs fast. I can't run as fast as him. We are not comparing my running and his running. We are just stating that I can't run as fast as him. This is a positive degree. Now in the next question, he runs fast but I can run dash than him. Now I am comparing my running with his running. So I am saying I can run faster than him. He runs fast, but I am the dash in our group. Now I am comparing my running with the runners of our group. So I will use the superlative degree fastest, and the also tells us that we will use superlative degree. Today is the hottest day of the year. We are comparing the day with the days of the year, 365 days, right? So we are comparing now. That is why we will use the superlative degree hottest. You have made a remarkable achievement. Now with a and if we are using, we will use only positive degree, right? And there is no comparison also. Mr. Ambani is the wealthiest person in India. Now India has billions of people and Mr. Ambani is the richest. Okay, wealthiest means richest. Okay, wealthiest person in India. We are comparing his wealth with the wealth of all others. Pooja and Intesh are dash than you. Now this then shows that there is a comparison of Pooja and Intesh age with you. Okay, so we will use younger. Rajat is talkative, but Ashwani is even more talkative than Rajat. So we are talking about Ashwani and Rajat, comparing between them. So we will use more talkative. It is better to do your homework before watching television. Okay, he knows more about sports than me. People wear smart and trendy clothes, dresses in metro cities. I prefer to have a small cup of milk. This is an enormous building. The sky is covered with dark clouds. Look, these clouds are getting darker. Now students, in the first sentence there is no comparison. We will use positive degree. But in second sentence there is a comparison of the darkness of the clouds before and after. So we will use darker. See, here is not there is no use of then. Then also we know that we are comparing the darkness with what was before and what was after. Okay, so we will tell they are getting darker. It is a bright and sunny day. This wall is in the worst condition. Get it repaired. Now here in all these things, here we are comparing, here it is positive degree. Here also we are using the, and which shows the superlative degree, and we will use worst. Otherwise, if it was positive degree, what we will use? Bad. Bad, worst, worst. Superlative degree, worst. Very good, students. Look at the pictures and answers the question. Which is the smallest of the flowers? Now see, students, we will compare these three flowers and we will write down jasmine. Right? We have to understand the language. Which flower is larger than jasmine and smaller than dahlia? That is rose. Okay, which of these is the largest flower? Right? We will write dahlia. Okay. Now, this coat is of 3000, red coat is of 2500, and the grey coat is of 5000. Which of these is cheaper than black coat or red coat? We are comparing only this. Cheaper is this one, red. Okay. Which one of these is the cheapest coat? 3000, 2500 and 5000. Which is the cheapest? Again red. Which of these is the costliest coat? Which has the maximum sum? That is black coat. Okay. Now correct the underlined words. The streets in our area are, we will write down narrow. Why we will use the positive degree and not the comparative or superlative degree? Because we are not making any comparison with the streets of other areas. Okay, we are just stating that our street in our area is narrow. Okay, the Rajdhani Express is dash than the Magad Express. We are comparing the speed of Rajdhani and Magad. When we are comparing between two things, okay, then we use comparative degree. So we will use faster. And one more clue is there, that is then. Nishtha has a sweetest voice. Now beta has a, we can't use superlative degree with a. Okay, and we are not comparing. If we are using the, okay, article the, then we will use the sweetest. Okay, but with a we use positive degree sweet. We are just stating that her voice is very sweet. He is really the lazier boy in your group. Now beta, we are not comparing him with one more boy. We are comparing him with more than one other. Okay, that is for your whole group. So it is a superlative degree. Moreover, we have the, so we will write down laziest. This question is dash than the previous one. Here we have easiest, but this is wrong because there is then, and we are comparing one question with the other two things. So it will be the comparative degree, and we will write down easier. He is an more honest politician. So students, with the article a and we use positive degree, and moreover there is no comparison, so we can't use comparative degree and superlative degree. We will use he is an honest politician. Please give me a sharpest knife. No beta, now in this sentence there is a presence of a. Article a have take positive degree, not the superlative degree. We will use sharp. The Qutub Minar is an older monument. Now beta, here there is no comparison, so we can't use older. We have to use positive degree with the article a and an, and so we will write down Qutub Minar is an old monument. So students, in this, first of all you will watch out for the articles. A and an takes the positive degree, the takes the superlative degree, then takes the comparative degree. Moreover, you have to see the comparison, either article or comparison. I hope you have understood well and you will revise it thoroughly.